What if the B-2 Spirit could vanish on radar and still carry enough power to destroy hardened targets? The B-2 Spirit stands as the most advanced stealth bomber ever built by human engineering. The B-2 Spirit shows how shape and science combine to make radar almost useless. The B-2 Spirit uses a flying wing design that scatters radar instead of reflecting it. The surface of the B-2 Spirit absorbs radar waves, so little energy returns to the source. Under the skin of the B-2 Spirit lies a strong steel frame that lets the massive wings flex. The B-2 Spirit hides a layered structure made from advanced composite materials. The wings of the B-2 Spirit use graphite epoxy to reduce radar reflection. The edges of the B-2 Spirit use fiberglass epoxy to smooth the radar profile. The engines of the B-2 Spirit sit inside titanium-protected areas that resist heat. The B-2 Spirit also uses fiberglass polyamide to resist both heat and radar detection. The B-2 Spirit buries its engines deep in the body to hide heat and radar traces. Air flows through the B-2 Spirit in an S-shaped path that cools and mixes exhaust gases. This S-curve helps the B-2 Spirit cut down its heat signature against enemy sensors. Each of the four engines on the B-2 Spirit produces over 17,000 pounds of thrust. The B-2 Spirit skips afterburners to stay cool and maintain stealth performance. The B-2 Spirit stores fuel inside massive integral tanks built into the wing. These tanks let the B-2 Spirit fly long distances without landing for refueling. With tanker support, the B-2 Spirit stays in the air for nearly 2 days straight. This endurance lets the B-2 Spirit reach and strike targets deep inside enemy airspace. Inside the cockpit, the B-2 Spirit seats the pilot and commander side by side. The B-2 Spirit cockpit includes systems that manage fuel, flight, and weapons with precision. In an emergency, the B-2 Spirit lets the crew eject through protective upward opening covers. Fly-by-wire technology keeps the B-2 Spirit stable during flight. This system allows the B-2 Spirit to fly smoothly, even with its unstable shape. Jack Northrop's flying wing experiments inspired the B-2 Spirit design. The B-2 Spirit controls lie across the wings instead of using a traditional tail. The B-2 Spirit skips a vertical stabilizer to avoid radar reflections. The B-2 Spirit uses split drag rudders to steer and maintain yaw control. When the left rudder opens, the B-2 Spirit turns left by creating aerodynamic drag. This drag-based control makes the B-2 Spirit turn slower than fighter jets. Elevens on the B-2 Spirit combine elevator and aileron control to adjust pitch and roll. The B-2 Spirit moves its elevons in precise patterns to perform stable maneuvers. Each elevon system on the B-2 Spirit works together as a unified control network. The B-2 Spirit avoids leading edge slats or protruding parts that reflect radar. Every line of the B-2 Spirit helps scatter radar energy away from detection. The radar absorbing paint on the B-2 Spirit remains a classified secret. Experts know the B-2 Spirit uses radar absorbing material or RAM coating. RAM helps the B-2 Spirit absorb radar energy instead of reflecting it. Stealth shaping and hidden engines make the B-2 Spirit nearly invisible on radar. The bomb bay of the B-2 Spirit holds a powerful internal weapon system. The B-2 Spirit carries both gravity bombs and guided missiles in secret compartments. The rotary launcher inside the B-2 Spirit lets it switch weapon types quickly. One setup allows the B-2 Spirit to carry up to 80 500-pound bombs. Another setup allows the B-2 Spirit to load long-range cruise missiles. The B-2 Spirit leads missions to destroy air defenses before other aircraft move in. After 30 years, the B-2 Spirit gains a new successor called the B-21 Radar. The B-21 builds on the stealth systems first perfected by the B-2 Spirit. The B-2 Spirit trades high speed for stealth, long range, and precision. The B-2 Spirit remains a symbol of engineering power and silent dominance.